Alright. Don't want to do a here. My the engine of my 2017 Honda Civic sedan. K20c2 motor. Inline 4. Earthstream technology. I-Vtec. S-Vtec. Non-turbo. The 2-liter. Which it says right here, 2-liter Honda Motor Company, Ltd. I mean, it's cool though. You can see the damn bugs when I drove it yesterday. Anyway, here's the alternator. Very accessible. One thing I kind of like about this car is how accessible the alternator is from the engine bay area. It's very accessible and really nice. Here's the catalytic converter. I think that's a catalytic converter. You can say in the description of the comment in the video or whatever. See, tell me what that is. Obviously, I'm not 100% sure. There's oil dipstick, oil filler, coolant thing, radiators. There's 2 radiators actually. Here's the fan down there. That's how you can hear it running. And yeah, basically, that's it's really dirty. I haven't washed the car since I've gotten the thing. Mostly when I'm over here, just sitting by the truck over there. Sitting by the truck. Yep. Sits over there by the truck. But that's all I was gonna show you is the engine in the car. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.